Shortly after putting up the video on how to install a starter in my truck, I had a battery problem, meaning when I left it overnight, it would drain down. So I pulled every one of the fuses one at a time, looking for which circuit it was on. Then all the relays. Finally, I got desperate and thought maybe it's that O'Reilly starter. So I went on Amazon and ordered a brand new starter from Amazon. I can tell you right now, it wasn't the O'Reilly starter. It was fine. However, I can say the Amazon starter was well under half the cost, so I wasn't unhappy with buying that. But this video is just to show you don't make the mistake I did by using one of these. I damaged my O'Reilly starter when I pulled it out, and that's what this video is all about. This 10mm nut right here, I went and took a wrench like this and put it on it. A wrench like that runs into this right here. So when I went to loosen it, what actually happened is I ended up spinning this whole thing right here and ruining the solder joint. Make sure you use a wrench like this instead of like this, and then you don't have to worry about that. I did more damage than just breaking this wire off, meaning this right here. I also spun this solder joint. This right here used to go all the way down almost to touching this. So I spun it 30 degrees or something, so I know I've damaged that solder joint as well. That's why I mentioned about this, just so it doesn't happen to somebody. This is the Amazon starter. This is the O'Reilly starter. You might look at this as part 2 of the video I did on installing a starter. Don't be dumb like I was and break your wire or your starter by using this tool. That's what this video was all about. Well, it's about time the moon will be setting. I left an Amazon affiliate link to the Amazon starter down below. If you want to see a comparison between the Amazon starter and the O'Reilly starter, click on the card on the top left. If you missed part 1, click on the card on the bottom left. This is Ron from Fixing Stuff in Black and White, signing off.